Hello and welcome to Ajayastro Money Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on different commodities. Today, we focus on the current movements in the crude oil market, which has been facing some pressure due to a series of supply adjustments and geopolitical factors. As of today, February 24, 2025, crude oil prices are slightly down. At 9:17 a.m. IST, West Texas Intermediate, WTI, April 2025 futures are trading at $70.31 per barrel, down by 9 cents or about 0.13%. Similarly, Brent crude May 2025 futures are at $74.00 per barrel, experiencing a marginal dip of 5 cents or 0.07%. The price decline follows significant news in the market. Iraq is set to resume crude exports from the Kurdistan region, which had been halted for almost 2 years. This resumption of 185,000 barrels per day via the Iraq-Turkey pipeline is expected to impact global crude flows, and traders are closely watching the situation unfold. However, it's not just about the Kurdish exports. The broader market is adjusting to a variety of global factors. One of these factors includes the ongoing discussions between the US and Russia regarding the Ukraine conflict. These talks are crucial, as they could potentially influence the movement of crude oil in and out of various regions. In addition to these developments, Glencore, one of the largest commodity giants, reported an increase in oil trading volumes, reaching 3.7 million barrels per day in 2024. This is up from 3.3 million barrels per day the previous year. However, despite the increase in volumes, the company saw a 47% drop in earnings from energy products trading, signaling that market volatility has eased and price fluctuations have reduced. On the refining side of things, India's Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL, is making strategic adjustments. BPCL has increased its procurement of Middle Eastern crude oil to offset a reduction in Russian oil imports. This shift comes as US sanctions on Russian oil producers and vessels have disrupted supplies to key buyers, including India. With all these dynamics in play, the crude oil market remains focused on geopolitical risks and supply adjustments. Traders are closely monitoring these developments, as they could lead to short-term fluctuations in prices. So, as the situation continues to evolve, crude oil prices are likely to remain under pressure, and any updates regarding the Kurdish supply, US-Russia discussions, and the refining strategies of countries like India will be crucial to watch. That's all for today's analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and in-depth analysis on commodities. Stay tuned for the latest insights on global market movements. Thanks for watching.